Shakey's V-League. Report now coming from Mitch Datuin.
Yes, Noel. Kanina, kinamusta ko kay Coach Ogie ng UST yung mga setters sa team. Ang sabi niya sa akin, somehow confident daw siya because they have their own strengths. Sinabi niya na si Rhea de Maculangan daw, magaling daw sa distribution ng bola. Si Laurel Lanting naman, magaling daw sa blocking pagdating sa frontline. And si Alex Cabanos naman, risky setter daw siya. Pero ang sabi niya sa akin, hindi daw niya pinapakailaman yung diskarte ng setter niya. Kung saan daw komportable at sa tingin nila na makakascore yung team, hinahayaan niya. At hindi rin daw siya nagdidictate ng play as long as pinopoint out lang niya kung saan ang weak blockers ng kalaban para makalusot ang kanilang atake. Noel and Ivy.
Kailangan naman talaga may konting katalinuhan as a setter.
We actually say that ang setter
rotation violation UST,
smartest players dapat inside the court.
Oo, pero that was not smart for UST. It was an alignment violation there.
Diyan natin makikita rin kung gaano katalas ang mata ng ating mga referees.
That's right.
Yun yung mga normally na nadidisregard natin mga audience o manonood. Pero mga referees, bantay sarado sa kanilang posisyon.
Tumabla tuloy tayo dito, Ivy, because of that violation against UST. 8-all. Tunay on the attack block by Saet. Di Maculangan tried to go down the middle. At ngayon, ito na yung depensa ng Lasal na ginamit nila nung ating first set.
It was the block of Navidad responsible for that point. At so far, dito sa ating third set, UST has been leading sa atake pa rin. You know, Lasal only with 2 points from the attacks.
Pero out naman yung serve nitong si Nunag. Again, you know, I like the future of this young girl. Kakatuto lang niya mag-volleyball and again, you're less than 20 years old and you're 5'10".
Sabi natin, she's a natural.
Right.
Diba? De Leon with a good serve.
Paquiles gets to it. Saet now on the setup for Chanco. At ang ganda ng atake ni Chanco kasi hindi na naibalik na UST. Lamang na naman ang Lady Patriots. Ito na naman yung ating di kitang set, parang first set natin.
Hoy, Jennifer! Itodo mo kasi yung talon mo kay Mick.
Chanco so far with 9 points in this game.
They go to the other side to Tunay. Nice dig by Chanco. Saet!
Saet drops that. Good save from Maizo.
Tunay.
Outside.
Tunay. Yan ang nagagawa rin ni Chi Saet. Kahit na nababasa yung ginagawa niya, nagugulat din ang UST.
Nakakasira ng ano yun eh. Baga nagugulo. Yung depensa o yung pattern ng mga kalaban.
Chanco serving. Di Maculangan. Tunay. Off the block.
Medyo napako ng konti ang mga back row defenders dito sa Lasal. They let that go.
11-10. Hindi makalago ang Lasal Dasmariñas. Former Finals MVP, Rhea de Maculangan. Paquiles. Chi Saet going over to Jen Manzano. Hello, sabi nito si Maizo at saka si Mike Ortiz.
Tingnan natin ulit ang block. It was solid block. Jen Manzano.
Sabi siguro nila, Mike, atin, tapang mo ah.
Oo.
Ang lalaki na namin dito. Dito ka pa rin dadaan. 11-all. Chanco. Saet, Manzano.
Number. Goes at the net.
Yun, kanina pa yun.
Oo.
That's an overreaching violation. At itinawag sa mas maliit na usually mahuhuli ka kung ikaw yung mas maliit eh.
Chi Saet at the service line. 1 point lead pa rin para sa Lasal.
Oh! That one just goes through because it's the official ball of the Shakey's V-League. Paquiles. Saet running attack. Yari Yonko.
And scored.
That will work. Oh, hindi lang pala si Mike Ortiz na nakakagawa nun. Dalawa na ang kakalamangan dito ng Lasal Dasmariñas Lady Patriots. The veteran, Chi Saet. Tunay. Di Maculangan. Maizo. Hindi na palihis. Dapat dun sa kamay ni Navidad. Nakaiwas si Navidad. So that is 3 straight points now for Lasal.
O bago yun, pag alam mo patatamay siya, tatanggalin mo yung kamay mo. Saet with the serve.
Ganda naman ang serve na yun. Mike Ortiz has to give up a free ball. Paquiles. Saet. Manzano.
Off the block.
At talo rin si Ortiz doon kay Navidad kasi nakapwesto na. Lahat ito, 4 na abanda dito ng Lasal.
This is a pretty strong front line for Lasal. So ito yung sinasabi nating take advantage. Pag alam mo ito yung one of the strongest rotation na meron kayo. Side, another good serve.
Di makulangan. Running attack, Micah Ortiz. Naibalik ni Baquiles. Baquiles is there again. Di makulangan. Tunay off the block. Saet. Ay, double touch. Sayang. She tried to do too much with that space that she had. Kasi ganda na setup niya. Yonko was all ready to launch.
Carmela Tunay serving for UST. So Lasal with a 3-point lead. Good serve.
Chanko. Saet. Not a good reception. Free ball given up here by Yonko. Di makulangan. Running attack. Micah Ortiz. Nabasa na yan. Ni Navidad pero hindi niya pa rin mapigilan.
May space in between that block. Kaya pumasok yung bola eh. A little late itong si Navidad. Malayo pa siya sa
Oo,
net eh.
papunta pa lang siya.
Oo eh. So yung space na yon kaya pumasok yung palo itong si Micah Ortiz.
15-13. Tunay once again. Saet going to Yari Yonko and that is turned back by Aiza Maizo.
No coverage for Lasal. So lead is down by 1, 14-15.
Pagkakataon na parang kay Carmela Tunay na may tabla itong ating laban.
Good serve.
Chanko. Saet. And there's a power tip for Manzano. Di makulangan. And Maizo off-speed attack. Yonko. At si Lastimosa.
Straight into the net.
Hindi mo rin pwede ulitin yung sinabi niya.
Mahirap yun ah.
Oo, mawala reception mo talaga. 16-14, Lady Patriots up.